What's up, guys? So today, $484, 6 tickets, and $6.10 in commission. So fairly happy with regards to my trade. Took one stock, Dollar General DG. So the stock gapped down. Oh, actually, wait, did he get there yet? Okay, so it on the daily, it gapped up. So it was a fairly strong stock. But when I was playing it, it sort of dropped and then it bounced back up. So in the 15-minute, when I saw that it was about to do a breakout, this is the line where it dropped and then it basically made a fairly quick recovery. So prior to market or right at market open, it dropped and bounced back up. So this tells me this is very bullish. It is very bullish. On the 1 minute. You see, it basically held this level, and the thing that I like about this stock and why I went long, you look at a 15-minute, this is the level it basically held, the 123-ish level, okay? So it's basically flatlined at this level. You look at this, is kind of like a long-term ABCD pattern, so this is, A, B, C, and then D is on the upswing. And basically here on the bottom here, it hit this SMA and it just bounced. And then it just kept riding this VWAP. Every time it hits the EMA, it bounces. On 5 minute, of course, similar trend, right? It's holding this level with some bounces, and then it just keeps on going up. So what I did was, I saw that at that time, the level that I was trying to break was right here, the 124, 125 level. So when it broke it, I took initially, so I should have taken smaller size, but initially I took 300 shares, saw that it was very strong, so I added to my position. And right after that, it started to drop. But there were two SMA levels here. So I did kind of gotten nervous for a bit because 600 shares total on a stock like this, 125. This is almost a dollar drop. It was like a point right here, almost a point. So I was down maybe 500, 600 bucks when it did this drop here. But there were two SMA levels. It held this level here. This is the lower, higher low. And again, if you look at the 15-minute. So this is why I stayed in my trade and not get freaked out, because initially when I was more of an amateurish beginner a couple of years ago, or 1.5 years ago, that would have been something that I would have taken a loss on and exited, only to see my position go in my favor. So basically, you see this strong bullish signal, strong. So drop, pop back up, drop, pop back up. So very strong signals that this is a bullish stock. And then again, here it crossed, the EMA crossed basically two SMAs, and there's two SMA here as support. So I stayed in my position. I was ready to pull the trigger. I will take that loss once it drops below this SMA level, and probably would have reversed my position to pick up some money to soften the blow, but it did not do that. It popped up, and so as it went up, I started to scale out. I scaled out the last piece here when it started to struggle at breaking this 126.17 level. It basically formed another bull flag and before going up again. So this is the level where it basically held the 125.60 level. A good entry would probably be here again, 126.20, basically where I exited. And then it kind of broke another point, and then it consolidated here. Now it looked like, well, before it looked like it then did a reverse bear flag, held this level, and then bull flag again. So now it looks like it's just going to head back towards VWAP. Did it? Try to head back towards VWAP, didn't do it. Now this time it's probably going to head back towards VWAP. Anyway, very efficient trading day for me, so I stopped now to go back to doing boring work, unfortunately.